Please look with me at square number 1. As you have learned, the double line letters are called consonants because they basically make just one sound. And one of the great things is because of your hard work, you have learned to make each consonant sound. Now, please look with me at the solid colored letters A, E, I, O, and U. These letters are called vowels. Please say the word vowel. Once more, vowel. Now, look at square number 2. Each vowel can normally make one of two sounds. In the first column, notice each vowel with a long bar or straight line over the top of the letter. When a word is written phonetically, or like in our lessons, the straight line over the top of the letter tells you that it is a long vowel. A long vowel says its own name. For example, the long vowel A says A. The long vowel E says E. I says I. O, O. And finally, the long vowel U says U. Now, please look at the column of short vowels. You see the little semicircle above the letter. That semicircle means that it is a short vowel, and it makes the short vowel sound. Now, A makes this sound. Listen carefully. A. A. E makes this sound. E. E. I makes this sound. I. I. O, this sound. Aw. Aw. And the short U, this sound. Now, please look at square number 3. See the capital and lowercase a? The short A makes this sound. A. Say it with me. A. Again, look at the letter A and say A, the short vowel sound. Now hear the short vowel sound in apple. A-pole. Say apple. Hear the short vowel A sound in apple. Look at the next picture word. Axe. 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 Look at the next picture word. Bat. B-a-t. Bat. Say bat. Hear the short A sound in bat. Now look at the next word picture. Cat. K-a-t. Hear the short A sound in cat. Now I want you to make the short A sound. A. Now, please go to square number 4. You see the capital and lowercase e. E makes this sound. Listen very carefully. E. E. Like in, look at the first word picture. Egg. 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 Say eh. Say it again. Eh. Now look at the next word picture. Hen. H-e-n. Hen. You hear the short A sound in hen. And what you're doing, short vowel sounds, is you're going to be able to sound out any word. And that's exciting. You're learning an incredibly important skill. Now look at the next word picture. jet. J, e, t, jet. Make the short E sound. E. Again, E. Look at the fourth word picture. B-ed. Bed. Hear the short E sound in B-ed. Bed. Once more, make the short E sound. E. Now, go to the next page and look at square number 1. You see the capital and lowercase I. The short I makes this sound. I. Listen carefully. I. I. Say I. Like in igloo. 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 This is kind of a house that Eskimos used to build and live in, and some of them still do. Igloo. Look at the next word picture. In. Pin. Hear the short I sound in pin. Now I want you to make the short I sound. I. Once more. I. Like in the third word picture. It. Mit. Mit. You hear the short I sound in mit. Finally, go to the last word picture. Ish. Hear the short I in fish. I. Make it once more. I. Now go to the second square. The capital and lowercase o make this short vowel sound. Aw. Aw. Make it with me, please. Aw. Like in officer. Officer. Like a policeman is an officer. Say aw. Say officer. Look at the next word picture. Og. Og. You hear the short O sound in dog. You're developing the skill of reading. Now look at the next word picture. Ought. Caught. Say caught. Hear the short vowel sound in ought. Caught. Go to the last word picture. Ox. Box. Now finally make the short O sound again. Aw. Now the word pictures are designed to be there if you can't for some reason remember the short vowel sound. If you say the name of the picture, you're going to have been able to say it. You'll remember it. You can recreate the sound. Aw. Now finally go to square number 3. The capital and lowercase u make this short vowel sound. Say Once more, say like in umbrella. Make the sound. Once more, Look at the next word picture. Nut. Hear the short U sound in nut. Look at the next word picture. Bus. Bus. Now you're being able to look at the word, sound it out, means that you're able to read the word. A significant accomplishment. Look at the last word picture. Cup. Hear the short U sound in cup. Now let's review. So when you're done with this exercise, your teacher or parent is going to come over and ask you to make the sound of each of these short vowels. Now make the ah sound, like in apple, ah. Short e sound, eh, like egg, eh. Make the eh sound. Now make the I sound, I, like igloo, I. Now make the short O sound, aw, like officer, aw. Now the short U, like umbrella. Let me say them again for you in order. A, eh, I, aw, Once more, you say them with me. A, eh, I, aw, Look at the letters and let's say them for the last time. A, eh, I, aw. You're learning an incredibly important skill. You're learning to read. Be proud of your growth. Be proud of your accomplishment. You're learning something incredibly significant and important.